Welcome back, class. This video will discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please pay close attention so you can complete the assignment properly. And also feel free to pause or rewind the video as needed. So your question today is, what is space? And we all know what space is, but the definition that we're going to use in class is that it is the distance or area between things. And as the image below us shows, you'll see the objects that overlap and are larger appear closer to the viewer, and this shape in the distance that is smaller seems further away. So space can be looked at from two perspectives, where you can fill the space of your paper, which is essential for any artwork, to fill the space to make sure there's enough going on to grab the viewer's attention, and secondly, the distance between each object, which basically leads us to the second question for today's entrance ticket, which is, how can the proper use of space help grab the viewer's attention? As I just stated, the answers basically are to fill the space of your paper, number one, and two, make sure your objects are closest together. So it creates a sense of motion or movement with your eye so that the viewer is looking at the entire artwork and not just a part of it. And to explain that, you can see that the oranges here are close together, so my eye looks at all these oranges, but then it kind of has to jump a little bit to this orange, but then that's it. There's no motion or movement, if you follow my cursor, that directs my eye all the way over here. The only thing directing your eye right now is my cursor showing you all that empty space. Whereas the image on the right does a much better job of filling the space and putting each object close together. So if I start with this peach here, it touches the grapes, which go up to the other peach or apple, and then down and up and around. And then you just keep looking at the whole artwork over and over again, which grabs the viewer's attention. The viewer has a lot more to look at than just a couple oranges. The whole space of the paper is filled, and again, there's just a lot more going on. So using the space properly is what makes this image on the right the stronger of the two artworks, the more engaging of the two. All right, that is it for this entrance ticket video. I look forward to seeing how your projects are coming along. Please complete your entrance ticket after this video. Message me if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great class, and please continue to work on finishing your projects as they are due next class in full value with each object shaded. All right, guys, have a great class, and feel free to message me if you have any questions at all. All right, bye, everyone.